morning, everybody. Well, it is Catch Up Monday, and I worked on a video all day yesterday, right? I thought, oh my gosh, I found my solution, right? It's my webcam on my computer. So I went into my little editing software. Do you think I can figure this out? No, I'm still working on it. So if I actually get this uploaded and it says Sunday Fun Day, that's the one that took me like 40 hours to be able to do. All right, so enough of that. Anyway, so Catch Up Monday, my weekend was absolutely fantastic. I got my hair cut, see? 5 inches, cut 5 inches off my hair. I think I lost 2 pounds just by the hair. Anyway, so we'll see what happens with that. Wednesday is a weigh-in. I feel like I'm doing good. I feel like, I'm not eating enough calories, and the calories that I'm eating are kind of like crappy calories. So we'll see. But I don't think I've had a gain. I think I probably have lost maybe a pound or 2. Hoping, cross my fingers. Just wanted to let everybody know, I did this morning go on Facebook. I started a Facebook group. I will try to edit and put in how to catch up with that Facebook group. It is called Life Over 55 with Kim, so hopefully you can find it. And I just want everybody to know, feel free to post in that Facebook group. If you have a video, if you have something special, if you have whatever you have, feel free. This is community. Let's all support each other. Let's all have fun. Let's talk back and forth with each other, Let's make this something that we all can kind of depend on and rely on as far as a go-to type of chat room. Also, I have my niece today. My great niece is coming. I'm so excited. Yes. I get to watch Miss Lillian today, and I am looking forward to that. Oh, my eggs are done. I have eggs cooking. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, everybody, I am back. And I'm just gonna kind of finish the video up a little bit. So my glasses are driving me insane today. Anyway, just kind of finishing everything up a little bit. I did get my my Facebook page created. So everyone feel free to go on. It is called Life Over 55 with Kim on the Facebook group. And use it, post. Show me everything you're doing. You just made a great meal and you're proud of that meal, post it. Take a picture. Look what I did. Look what I'm eating today. I'm on track. Or if you have a candy bar, I'm off track. Uh-oh. Well, I'll be there to support you. So feel free. Show me pictures. Show me family pictures. Show me whatever it is that is on your mind. Let's use this and let's all support each other. And, when we get older, we need that extra little support team. So anyway, everyone, I am getting ready to have the baby here. She is actually a year old. So I am trying to baby proof as much as I possibly can. And I'm looking forward to today. All right, so for my week, I am planning on, I have chicken salad getting ready to go. I have eggs getting cooling off, hard-boiled eggs, gonna make some egg salad, making chicken salad. I have some ground chicken out. I am going to be making tacos with that. So my week is going to be pretty much, I can come in and roll up an Olay wrap and make a taco, or I can roll up an Olay wrap and make a chicken salad sandwich. I can do crackers and egg salad. I can do regular salad. So I'm going to be a little bit more prepared and going to be taking my lunch. I didn't take my lunch a lot last week, so I was relying on eating out, which was kind of not a great thing to do, So Anyway, that is where my week is headed. That is what I am planning on doing. I hope everybody had a fantastic weekend. I hope everybody is looking forward to the new week. New week, new start. New start means you're going to succeed, right? We are all planning on succeeding. So, absolutely 100%, I am looking forward to getting back on track and getting the scale to go down, right? I need to hit another number. I need new numbers. So I am mindset ready to go, and it's getting warmer, but actually it got colder here in St. Louis. I woke up and it was 36 degrees today. What the heck is that all about? So I am still wanting to be at least down a size. Would be nice if I could be down a size by the time the end of spring is, and be down another size by the time the end of summer is. So I am striving. But other than that, come join me on Facebook. I am looking forward to seeing everybody there. And I also am looking forward to hearing how your guys' weekend went. Mine was good. Got my hair cut. My nephew was here. Got to spend time with him, my sweet little angel, and his wife, Taylor. My niece is dropping off the baby, so I'll get to see her. I'll get to hang out with the baby today. So everything should be wonderful for the week. My weekend ends up with family, and I am just striving to spend more time with my family. So hopefully I can start making that happen as well. If I could ask for a shout out for prayers for my niece. She's 14 years old. She's going through this little health thing right now, and they're not really sure what's happening, where she will just pass out. So it's kind of scary. It's really scary for my brother and my sister-in-law. It's also very scary for my niece. So if you guys could please just kind of keep her in your prayers. And her name is Stella. I love you, Stella. Just so that we can get her to feel better, right? All right, I am going to sign out of here. I wanted to give a shout out to my nephew, Aaron. Aaron watches my channel, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart, Aaron. Aunt Kim loves you. Mwah. All right, everybody, take care, and I will see you on Wednesday, if not a little video tomorrow, or at least a short, right? All right, take care, everybody. Mwah.